to Red Ted Art. Now this is a collaboration with my daughter, Pip Squeak from Red Ted And Pip. You will have seen a couple of weeks ago these little origami dresses on my YouTube channel. I'm going to link them up above, obviously. And she turned the little origami dresses into an origami fashion show. Now what I love about these is that the little wooden dolls, they can swap clothes if they want to. So if you've got a best friend and you like to swap clothes, you're just like these little dolls. Aren't they adorable? So Pip Squeak and I are now going to show you how to make the little doll itself. It's really quite easy and straightforward, so you can see us drawing them. And of course you can check out the video with the paper dresses. So come on then, let's take a look and see how our fashion dolls are made.
Hello, it's me, Pip Squeak from Red Ted and Pip. My mum, you see, has been making these beautiful dresses and I've been decorating them. So I'm here to show you how to decorate like the dresses and the people. So I wouldn't use it this way because the dresses might not fit on properly, but this way it's a bit better. So also I do recommend using pens like this because they got thin nibs, and I wouldn't use Sharpies or then they would run. They would like smudge and run down the thing if you pick it up like that. So use like normal pens, like pencils. Well, not exactly pencils because they might not show up on these wooden spoons, but anyway, you don't actually have to copy exactly what I'm doing. I'm just showing you how a way you can decorate your dress and your doll. So I'm going to speed up this bit of the video. So now I've drawn my person. I'll show you a simple and easy way to draw the shoes. Well, you could do trainers, but I'm not doing like that, like trainers on mine because I don't know, I haven't done one with trainers yet, but this is a simple way you can do your shoes. So you start from here and you curve down like that and up. So it's like a curved line. And then I just do a line down the middle, so it's like shoes. You can't like have 2 feet stuck together. Also, what I like doing on the back is to trace off what I've done, not like repeat like the eyes, but like the hair. So it's like a real person. So like I marked it here. I put it on the side of the wooden spoon, but here I just like, yeah. So it's like, and then I'm gonna colour in that bit. So it's like around, so like got hair, like over here and over here and here. Yeah, so like that. Also, I like doing the shoes because so it's like a real person or something. And then we do the same what we did on the back, like that. So also, if you want, you can just add this bit in. I think it's a bit more polite, or then it might look a bit weird. But of course you don't have to copy exactly what I'm doing. It's just to give you an idea of what you might want to do for your person. Also, of course, you won't see this underneath once you put the dress on because they look really good once they got the dress on, like this. So it's easy to put, and you just slip on the back like that. So that's my person done. We now need to colour. You don't have to do exactly the same colours that I'm doing. So I'm just going to speed this video up because you might not want to do the same colours as me. Now I've coloured in my person, it's time to do the dress. So I'm just going to put her on the side for now, and I'm going to start colouring in the dress. So here is the dress my mum made. She's taped the back, so it's extra secure when you put it in. So I'm going to decorate it. And so you can decorate anything, like however you want, like I said, as the person, because it's your dress. Okay, now I've finished my dress. It's very spotty with a few stripes on. So, well, I'm actually finished. Oh, just need to slot it in the back, and then there is your little girl in a dress. So I'm now going to pass on to Red Ted Art.
Well, you don't have to pass on, but look at that, isn't that adorable? And we love that we have a whole set of fashion dolls, and we've really enjoyed making these with our friends, haven't we? Lots of little dresses. You can also add things like sequins, glue them to the hair, glue them to the, to the actual little dress. So lots of different ideas. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also go and visit Red Ted and Pip, and we'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.